guys, what's up? If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back and clicking on another video. So today's video, you guys, I have a giveaway to tell you all about. I have been so excited to put this video up. It's taken me a little bit longer than anticipated just because I've had some crazy things happening in my life, but I'm finally getting it up for you all. So I am going to be telling you guys the rules and criteria and guidelines for this giveaway, telling you guys all about the products and letting you know exactly how it's going to be working. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the giveaway that I'm talking about is Jeffree Star's Blue Blood collection. I have 3 different pieces I'm going to be giving away on my channel for 3 of you lucky winners. So one prize will be one item, one prize will be another item, and then another prize I think I'm going to put 2 items just because of the cost. I wanted to keep it as equal as possible. You're just going to jump right in because I'm so excited about this dang video. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. So if you guys want to see what I'm giving away from Jeffree Star's Blue Blood collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so first and foremost, I just want to go ahead and give a disclaimer, you guys. All of these products were purchased with my own money. I was very fortunate enough to be able to use Beautylish, which is a program that allows you to pay in payments, and then ordered some extra pieces for all of you guys, or for, I guess, 3 of you lucky winners. So first things first is you need to be subscribed to my channel. And let me just kind of say something really quick, because I know that a lot of people feel this way, especially us YouTubers. What that means is don't come on here, subscribe, and then decide when you don't win, unsubscribe. That's just an ethical thing, you guys. It's super raunchy and I just don't think it's right. So if you're not interested in my content, don't subscribe. I want a loyal subscriber to win this giveaway, and I don't want anyone else to falter that or to hurt that. So if you're interested in my content, you like me, you like what you see, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to be entered in this giveaway. That would mean the world to me. The second thing is that I want those of you that are entering to put a comment down below as to what your favorite piece of this collection launch was, why you think that you could benefit from these products, and then anything else you want to put in the comments. I just want to read your comments. I want to read your stories. I want to read about you. Go ahead and leave me anything in the comments down below that is related to the launch, or why you feel like you want to have one of these products, or why you feel like one of these products would be great for you. I really just like to get an engaging conversation going with my subscribers on my channel. Make sure you pay attention to that part, because that's going to be really, really important. I do read each and every comment, you guys. I most of the time I reply if I can. I at least like your comment, or heart your comment, or pin your comment, whatever it is. I do try to do that. I am very, very busy, but I do try to at least pay attention to your comments. So I don't really require that you follow any other social media, because there are people who don't have Instagram, or who don't have Twitter, who don't have Snapchat, and I just don't want you to go create an account just for the sake of winning this giveaway. So you don't have to worry about any of that. And I'm actually not going to use any generator or anything for this giveaway, just because I want to be able to truly choose winners that are authentic and that I feel I want to give these pieces away to. Because at the end of the day, you guys, this did cost me my own money. It was expensive, and I really want to give it to someone who I feel would benefit and who really cares about winning it. So those are the only rules. You just have to be a subscriber and stay a subscriber, and put a comment down below about something that is related to this launch, or something that's related to you winning, anything in that realm, or anything in that explanation. So, okay, let's get to the prizes so you all can see what's gonna happen, because that means your chances of winning something increase a little bit than just like one winner for all of the prizes. I thought that would be kind of cool, just to do it 3 winners instead of 1 big winner, because then 3 of you get a chance to win. So okay, so let's go ahead and open them up. Again, I haven't opened up anything just because I wanted to wait for this video, so we're kind of doing a little unboxing together as well. I already cut the tape though. Look at how beautiful this box is, you guys. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, look at how stunning that wrapping is. That's another reason why I didn't want to open these up, because I wanted to wait for you guys to show you how beautiful the wrapping is. It has like the black wrapping paper, or black, what is it called? Black tissue paper. So taking it off, and everything again is just wrapped individually. I really like that Beautylish offers that payment plan. I think that that's super awesome, However, it sucks that you can only do like one order at a time. I mean, I guess I understand it, but okay. So the first winner of this Jeffree Star Blue Blood giveaway will receive the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blooded Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Set. They come with this shade, these shades right here. But anyway, this is the first prize that the first winner will receive. So this comes with all of the shades that Jeffree Star launched in this collection. I think there's like 2 new shades, and then the rest are ones that he has in his collection already. But I feel like there are really, really nice shades. I know that it's not a super wearable collection, but sometimes we have to just live outside of our comfort zone, you know? Get out of that box. So these shades are Drug Lord, Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, Blue Velvet, Abused, Diamond, Titanic, which is a super pretty shade, and Medusa. It says on the back, it just kind of gives you the ingredients. It gives you the names of the lipsticks, and this box is super stunning, you guys. I think it is so, so cute. Winner number 1 will receive this guy right here. Again, remember to follow those rules if you want to have a chance to win this guy. I wanted to try to get a second mirror for you guys, but the time that I got onto the website, the mirrors were already gone, and I really, really want the mirror that came in the collection I purchased. The winner of the next prize is going to receive this guy right here. This is the train case. I was gonna open it, but I think I'm gonna leave it in the package. It's really, really big, and again, I will go ahead and insert pictures here somewhere to let you guys know kind of what it looks like. It does carry a lot, or this like really pretty periwinkle blue, I guess. This one has a couple of different pieces. Okay, and then the next piece is in this right here. So this is a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade YSOTP. Let me just open it so you guys can see the shade. It's really, really pretty. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it like in the actual packaging because it has glitter all over it, but I'll put a swatch of the shade just right here on the screen somewhere. But this will be included with this package, or with this case right here. Isn't that so pretty? And then the last item in this particular prize is a Jeffree Star baseball cap. So this will be included as well in this particular prize. They kind of match, but these 3 will be in this prize. So you'll have this guy, you'll have the hat, and then you'll have the lipstick. And then last but not least will be, I guess, kind of the grand prize winner, if you will. Da, 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 da. Okay, so the grand prize winner of this giveaway will receive the palette itself. This is what the palette looks like. It is so stinking cute. This is the inside. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is stunning. Oh, so, so pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. It has a really nice mirror. You guys can see my ring light, but that is what the palette looks like. So again, you guys, there are a ton of videos on the Blue Blood palette if you guys are interested and you want to see what it looks like, but this will be the grand prize winner for the 3 winners on my channel. All right, you guys, so those are the prizes for this giveaway. I hope that you are as excited about them as I am. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow those rules that I let you guys know about in the beginning of the video. I will also list them down below in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all very, very much. Take care and take care of each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye!